So, do you like unicorn? Hello, my friends. I'm Lisa. Welcome to my miniature house. Woohoo!
Oh, wow! Wee!
So beautiful.
Wow! I'm beautiful, boy!
Oh, wow!
Whoa!
I'm so delicious! The bed is so beautiful. It's mine.
Today, I will make a 3-room house for the unicorn. I hope you like it.
Whoa!
First, make the bedroom for the unicorn. Make the bed. Flatten the clay with hard plastic. Cover the cardboard with clay. Make the cushion. Apply glue. Add cotton on top. Wrap fabric to cover the cardboard and cotton. Cut off the excess fabric. Decorate the cushion.
Wow!
Make the headboard. Draw the headboard on the cardboard. Cut according to the drawing. Use clay to shape the unicorn on the cardboard. Make the eyes for the unicorn. Ta-da! Woo-hoo-hoo! Make the footboard.
The bed is so beautiful!
Oh, wow! Wee!
The bedroom is complete. Next, make the study room for the unicorn. Make the study table. Apply glue. Combine the cardboard pieces. Amazing! Make the mirror. Draw the mirror on the cardboard. Cut according to the drawing. So cute! Make the pencil box. Cut a piece of foam. Make the book. Unicorn, love, baby, so cute. Make the pencil case with clay. So lovely. Amazing. Make the chair with clay. Flatten the clay with hard plastic. Cut the clay into a rectangle shape. So beautiful! Make the unicorn-shaped school bag. Draw the bag on the foam sheet. Cut according to the drawing.
I'm beautiful, boy.
The study room is complete. Make the stairs. Apply glue. Combine the cardboard pieces. Ta-da! Blue, purple, green, yellow, orange, red. Woo-hoo-hoo! Make the bookshelf. Shape the shelf with many yellow wooden pieces.
Oh, wow!
Make the sofa. Use beads as chair legs.
Whoa!
Make the table. Flatten the clay with hard plastic. Amazing!
I'm hungry. I want to rest.
So delicious!
Make the pool. Pour water into the pool.
Oh, wow! Wee!
I am very refreshed. Thank you, Lisa.
Woo-hoo-hoo! Wonderful! The house is complete.
The bed is so beautiful. It's mine. I'm hungry, but I study late. Noggin